Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear learners, today we are discussing about the perfect tense. As you know that we are discussing these tenses simultaneously, all together at the same time. We are discussing present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. If we have understood the concept of perfect and present, past, and future, then there will be no problem, because with our common sense, with our own experience, we can understand if the work is completed in present tense, so that will be present perfect, and if the work was completed in past tense, so that will be past perfect, and if the work will be completed in the future, so definitely that will be a future perfect. So I hope there won't be any confusion. There won't, will not is spoken won't. If I make combination of will and not, so this will be called won't. So there won't be any confusion regarding this. Let's have a look towards this tenses with examples. उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली है. उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली है. This is present perfect. उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली थी. उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली थी, that is past perfect. उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली होगी. उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली होगी, that will be future perfect. So we can see that now how can we translate? We have already discussed the syntax. तो उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली है. That girl has written the story. Yes, that girl has written the story. उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली थी. That girl had written the story. That girl had written the story. Likewise, उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली होगी. उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली होगी. That girl will have written the story. Will have and shall have followed by past participle. Past participle mean third form of verb. Present participle mean first form plus ing. Past participle mean third form of verb. उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली होगी. That girl will have written the story. So let's have a look towards some more sentences. हम चाय पी चुके हैं. हम चाय पी चुके हैं. We have taken tea. Take tea mean चाय पीना. We have taken tea. So third form of verb, take, took, taken. We are using have because we are using pronoun we as a subject. We have taken tea. हम चाय पी चुके थे. Now it is in past perfect. हम चाय पी चुके थे. We had taken tea. We had taken tea. Likewise, हम चाय पी चुके होंगे. हम चाय पी चुके होंगे. We shall have. Now, we shall have taken tea. We shall have taken tea. So you have seen that we have converted these perfect tenses, very easily. Again, I stress on the clarity of perfect tense, that what is perfect? When the work is completed, when the work is finished. If the work is finished in present, so that will be present perfect. And if the work is completed in past, so that will be past perfect. Likewise, if the work is completed in future, so that will be future perfect. So now we are going to discuss its negative, that how we can make them negative. उस लड़की ने कहानी नहीं लिखी है. उस लड़की ने कहानी नहीं लिखी है. That girl has not written the story. So we use two pronoun in present perfect, two helping verbs, has and have, followed by past participle. Past participle means third form of verb. उस लड़की ने कहानी नहीं लिखी है. That girl has not written the story. उस लड़की ने कहानी नहीं लिखी थी. That work now is in past perfect. That girl had not written the story. That girl had not written the story. Similarly, उस लड़की ने कहानी नहीं लिखी होगी, उस लड़की ने कहानी नहीं लिखी होगी, that girl will not have written the story, that girl will not have written the story. So not will be adjusted, the word is adjusted, d is silent, adjusted, the word will be adjusted between the word not will be adjusted between will and have. The girl will not have, the girl will not have written the story. Likewise, we can convert these sentences into interrogative. First of all, you have seen that we discussed the sentences in, in affirmative, in positive form. Then we discussed the sentences in negative form. Now we are going to discuss the sentences in interrogative form. Let's have a look. क्या उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली है? Has that girl written a story? So simply we have to bring helping verb has or have in the start. Has that girl written the story? क्या उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली थी? Had that girl written the story? Likewise, क्या उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली होगी? Will that girl have written the story? The major mistake sometimes is that will and has is used. That's incorrect. So the correct combination is will have. उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली, क्या उस लड़की ने कहानी लिख ली होगी? Will that girl have written the story? Let me repeat, will that girl have written the story? Likewise, क्या हम चाय पी चुके हैं? क्या हम चाय पी चुके हैं? Have we taken tea? क्या हम चाय पी चुके थे? Had we taken tea? क्या हम चाय पी चुके होंगे? Shall have we taken tea? So in this way, we can convert these sentences in interrogative form. My stress again, my concern again is that we have to understand the concept of perfect. The concept of perfect means the work is completed. If the work is completed in present, so that will be present perfect. If the work is completed in past, that will be past perfect. And likewise, if the work is completed in future, so that will be future perfect. So this was regarding perfect tense. Hopefully you have understood. Anyhow, if you would be having any question or query, you can ask without any hesitation. Thank you very much. You can subscribe the channel and you can press the icon of bell button. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and the people you are around. Allah Hafiz.